Here's how to fix something went wrong in YouTube. If you're unable to play a video and this message keeps appearing, here are several solutions you can try. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Airplane Mode, then turn it on. Wait approximately 10 seconds, then turn Airplane Mode off again. This will refresh your phone's network connection and may resolve the problem. If the error continues and you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi and switch to your cellular data connection. Try playing the YouTube video again. If you're already using cellular data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network instead. Switching between different network connections can help determine whether the problem is related to your current connection. If neither option works, open the Settings app again and select General. Next, tap iPhone storage and wait for the list of installed applications to appear. Scroll down until you find YouTube, then select it. Tap Offload App and confirm by selecting Offload App again. Wait a few seconds and you should see an option to reinstall the application. Tap the Reinstall option and wait for YouTube to be installed again. Once the process is complete, open the app and try playing a video to see if the error has been resolved. Another solution is to completely close the apps running in the background. On your iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find YouTube and swipe upward to close it. Continue doing the same for the other applications running in the background. Once you've closed everything, launch YouTube again and check whether the problem is fixed. If you've tried all of these methods and the error is still appearing, open Settings on your device, then select General and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, select Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode to confirm the action. After the network settings have been reset, reconnect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. Then, open YouTube and try playing the video again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.